In this video, I'm going to introduce you to some special numbers that you may run into when you're performing computations. The first one will be something like this. I might be dividing 1 by 0, in which case the way R interprets that is infinity. If I threw a negative on there, I'd get a negative infinity out of it. Now, you might also say, well, what happens if you do something like this? This is normally something that's undefined in mathematical terms, 0 divided by 0. In this case, you get something called not a number. So it treats 1 divided by 0 and negative 1 divided by 0 as numbers that are just especially large, I guess you could say. But 0 divided by 0, just it calls it undefined. Then something else you might run into as time goes on is NA, meaning not available. It can be used to stand for a missing data value or just for something that can't be computed. And then the last one of these, I'll call it a special number, but it's not actually a number here, is null. And this is just a data value you can have pop up, and it's usually meant to be a placeholder, just an empty spot that has no numerical value whatsoever. It doesn't represent anything other than there's a space there to be filled. So these are four, so I'll call them special numbers you might run into.